we are going to learn a new chapter, that is non-trading concern. Like the video, subscribe the channel and be with us so that we can continue our learning properly. Up till now, we have observed that most of the business activity the traders are doing to earn profit. These institutions are governed mainly not to earn profit but to do service to the society. They are also doing economic activity. It's not a personal activity. It is a activity for the mankind in general. The activity which are governed mainly by the motto of helping others and making services for the others. So let us see first, that is the meaning of non-trading concern. Here it is clearly said that non-trading means they are not trader. They are not doing buying and selling services, goods and all. They are the service oriented organizations which are helping people to meet their various requirements. You must have heard about Rotary Club, Lions Club, charitable library, charitable hospitals, political organizations, trade unions. There are ample number of NGOs, you can say, that they are working for the benefit of the public in general. They do maintain accounts. Whatever service you are doing for profit making or for providing service, but you need to keep and maintain an account. Otherwise, how can you know that what services you are providing, is it feasible to continue or not? Otherwise, your business, that particular service may collapse if your expenses are keep on increasing more and more than your income and all. So in spite of their profit motto is not there, but they have to maintain books of account. So the meaning, you can say, the account of a non-trading concerns are those institutions of accounts of those institutions which are providing running with an objective to serve the members. The purpose is to help the society and to satisfy the human needs. Maybe a need of library, education, maybe a need of physical fitness, that is the sports club, maybe a need of health, that is what you can say charitable hospitals. Variety of needs a human have to be satisfied by them. Second characteristics. How can you identify that this is a non-trading concern? Number one, the non-trading concern, their main motto not to earn profit. Number two, they also need to survive. So how they are going to survive? With the help of the income which may comes through the subscription from the members. And to serve the member, they need to spend. So they are going to do various expenses. So to keep a record of those income and expense, they need to maintain their books of accounts. Number three, such institutions are mainly, you can say that assist by the government also, with the government aids, with the you can say grants, and like this government also see that such institutions should run. They need to maintain their books of account in a different manner than what we used to do in our regular traders account, what we have learned in our final account, that is trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. They have some different method of maintaining books of account. So these are the few characteristics. Now let us see that what are the method of accounting they follow. The very first one system is following the cash system. Here only cash expense and income are recorded. So this is very narrow. They are not considering any outstanding, any pre-received, any prepaid, or they are not considering any adjustment as such. They only focus on the cash. So this is a limited, you can say, that method of maintaining account. Normally, the method followed, that is what the mercantile system. Under the mercantile system accounting, they do prepare receipt and payment account. That receipt and payment account is very much identical like a cash book that what we used to maintain in our double entry accounting system. So here that part of a cash income and expense are covered automatically. So first system, cash system, is one of the part in the mercantile system. Second, they do maintain income and expenditure account. That is very similar to that profit and loss account what we used to maintain in our individual sole proprietorship final account. Third, that is what the balance sheet. Balance sheet is the financial statement. They also need to see their liability and other, that is the, instead of capital, they have capital fund. So their capital fund and other liability must be equal to the assets that what they belongs to. So here balance sheet is maintained. So we are going to learn in this chapter these two more new accounts that were maintained by the non-trading concern. The next is, that is the rules of accounting. The rules are the same as what we follow in our double entry accounting system. In another chapter of single entry system also we are going to learn. Over there also the rules remain the same. In Deshinam also we have observed the rules of accounting remain the same. So rules, fundamental rules are same. All the three types of our account, real, personal, nominal, remain the same. The rules remain the same. So in this manner, we have observed that non-trading accounting system is just a little different presentation. Otherwise, basic concepts are the same what we have learned. Here also we are going to prepare final account, and here also we are going to apply the adjustments that what we have done in our final account. So only the presentation is different. The few new terms will be there. So we are going to introduce ourselves with a different type of terms. Instead of a capital, they have the capital fund. Now question in your mind, what the capital is replaced with the word capital fund? See, you are a sole trader, you are owner. Whatever you invest, to be said, belongs to you. It's your property. So you say that amount invested by the owner is known as a capital. Here it's a trust. The fund are contributed by many. No one is the owner. Here all are the trustees. Here all are the group working for a common goal of social activity. So that fund belongs to none of them. So to give an identity as a separate fund, we called it as a capital fund. That is the corpus which collected by the institution with what they are going to run their business. So many more terms are there. They don't have a sales. Their main source of income is a subscription, membership fees, entrance fees, government grant. So various terms are there that what we are going to see in our next class, the classification of income and expenses and the words related to the non-trading concern. So this is what we have introduced ourselves with the chapter. Thank you.